Mangoro Market Meri is an initiative that is driven by women to help empower women. Many of our women in Papua New Guinea source mangrove firewood to cook their food, to smoke their fish to sell at the market. Many of our women in Papua New Guinea go to look for fish and crabs in the mangroves because they are in close proximity to the villages.
Now that there is no mangroves growing along here, especially our area here, we don't have enough fish, crabs and all this.
For us to work with women in Papua New Guinea to do conservation, we have to be able to empower them economically. Through Mangoro Market Meri, through our three objectives. One is to help women tap into markets where they can sell their mud crabs or shellfish or fish. And the other one is on ecotourism, and the other one is on the carbon.
I guess in this training we're already learning the process of how we should care of this product from the mangrove straight to the customer and to wherever it should be sold.
That's what Mangoro Market Meri is about. Connecting women who are doing conservation to economic benefits and improved livelihoods in their villages.